रणवीर जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है मेरा कि हाल ही में दीपिका जी ने भी आपके बारे में एक इंटरव्यू में, मतलब फिल्म फेयर का ही अवार्ड था,
क्या कहा उन्होंने?
उन्होंने ये कहा कि शादी के बाद कुछ एक प्रतिबंध आपके ऊपर लगा दिया, जैसे
हाँ
कि घर से निकलना है तो खाना खा के जाना है, ये
हाँ
कंपलसरी होगा, और आप कहीं भी कुछ भी शूट कर रहे हैं तो आपको उनका फोन उठाना जरूरी है।
हाँ जी, तो मैं तो शॉट के बीच में फेस टाइम उठा लेता
तो मतलब
वीडियो कॉल।
और क्या क्या उन्होंने कुछ प्रतिबंध और क्या क्या लगाए हैं, और अगर आप मुझे कुछ हमें बता सकें, अगर आप।
कितने प्यारे प्रतिबंध हैं उनके।
आप कितना फॉलो कर पाते हैं इन सारी चीजों को?
मैं बंद गया हूं गृहस्थी में। मैं तो मतलब टाइम से उठना, टाइम पे खाना खाना, टाइम पे काम पे पहुंचना, टाइम पे घर जाना, टाइम पे सोना। आह, क्या सुधर गया है लड़का, क्या सुधर गया है। और मैं कहता हूं तू सुधार, मुझे तू सुधार, लगा तू प्रतिबंध पे प्रतिबंध। So, the best thing that ever happened to me, भाई, honestly. घर आई लक्ष्मी, है कि नहीं? जय झूलेलाल।
Thank you. Can I request all my media friends to kindly get seated?
लाश में परवाज देख परवाज। सर ऐसे नहीं सर, जितेश पिल्ले को भी यहाँ होना चाहिए हमारे साथ। फिल्म फेयर के करता धरता कहाँ है? हाय हाय हाय, कितना हॉट, कितना सेक्सी लग रहा है। ओहो, ब्लैक वेलवेट। ओह, ऐसे ब्लैक वेलवेट केक लग रहा है, ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक लग रहा है। खा जाऊं मैं इस पेस्ट्री को। Jitesh is one of my favorite people in the world. Just want to establish that at the outset.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you see how cute he looks when he blushes? Sorry, Khyati, it's all you, babe. मेरे हाथ में माइक आ जाता है ना फिर.
No, but we love that you take it off. Thank you, Ranveer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we would like to welcome all of you to the 64th Vimal Filmfare Awards 2019 press conference. Can we begin with a huge round of applause? Yes. Now, Filmfare is the country's leading entertainment magazine, a part of Worldwide Media, a Times Group company. Other titles such as Femina, Hello, Grazia, Top Gear, Good Homes, Lonely Planet, and Home and Design Trends are also part of this family. Filmfare Awards is one of India's oldest and most distinguished film institutions and has spanned generations of exceptional talent. From a small ceremony which featured just 5 awards, the Filmfare Awards function has evolved into one of India's most spectacular events. And this year, we are very happy to associate for the very first time with Vimal. For years, Vimal, with their unique quality offerings, have made a special place in people's heart as a robust brand across the country. And they wish to continue raising the bar every day. Vimal is committed in the society by supporting communities with Vimal Foundation, an NGO working towards people's well-being. We are so delighted to have you on board with us. This year, our exclusive TV partner is Colors. Viacom 18 Media Private Limited is one of India's fastest growing entertainment networks and a house of iconic brands that offers multi-platform, multi-generational and multicultural brand experiences. Viacom 18 defines entertainment in India by touching the lives of people through its properties on air, online, on ground, in shop, and through cinema. Colors is Viacom 18's flagship brand in the entertainment space in India, a combination of emotions and variety. Colors offers an entire spectrum of emotions to its viewers. From fiction shows, to format shows, to reality shows, to blockbuster movies, the basket contains all Jazbaat ke Rang. I now request Mr. Deepak Lamba, CEO Worldwide Media, Mr. Anil Varma, Group Marketing Head Vimal Group, Mrs. Neena Jaipuria, Head Hindi Mass Entertainment and Kids TV Network Viacom 18, Mr. Ranveer Singh, of course, and Mr. Jitesh Pillai, Editor Filmfare, to kindly come
I am also in charge of mass entertainment, madam. Ow, let us light it up.
Yes, absolutely. Let's begin this evening by lighting the lamp. Request our media friends to kindly maintain the decorum and be seated, please. अपनी अपनी सीटों पर बैठ के प्लीज फोटो खींचिए. Yes, see, the auspicious beginning of this 64th Vimal Filmfare Awards has begun. May I request all of you to please take your seats. May I now request Mr. Deepak Lamba to share a few words with us.
Hi, good evening, everybody, and thank you for taking the time to be here today. I'm going to keep this short because I'm pretty sure you don't want to listen to me, you want to listen to the guy next to me. But just wanted to say, we are once again, I think for the 64th time, back with our Filmfare Awards. Over the years, as you've noticed, we've tried to make it from it just being a TV show to actually being a live entertainment spectacle. You've seen that, which is why all of our acts have been performing live over the last 2-3 years. In an effort to continue to make it grander, we obviously try and get the best in the entertainment industry to be a part of the show and to perform. It gives me, therefore, great joy to... Ranveer is now very much a part of the Filmfare family. He did an amazing job performing last year at Filmfare, and it's our pleasure to actually have him as a showstopper for the awards this year, and he's going to be headlining the event. We're very excited to see what he pulls off, and I can only imagine that it'll be in his true Ranveer style, and we can't wait to see what you're going to be doing. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to Vimal, who's come on board as our title partner for the first time. And we look forward to having a very fruitful association with you. Also like to thank Nina and Colors for extending us the support. Broadcast partners are very, very important, but Colors has always tried to make sure that they go above and beyond the call of duty when it comes to ensuring that this award gets prominent place. A couple of other mentions, I think we're also excited that we're going to be renewing our partnership with Facebook and Twitter. For those of you who may not know, last year, for example, during the awards, the show trended live globally, which is a matter of great pride for us. And I think the partnership with Twitter and Facebook will ensure that the awards reach out to a much, much larger audience. For those of you who have questions about nominations, we're not going to be talking about nominations now, but they will be available on our website by tomorrow evening, so you can please check them out. Without further ado, thank you once again for coming.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Jitesh Pillai to kindly share a few words with us?
Shouldn't I have the last word? So quickly, I have to say I feel like a proud parent whenever I meet Ranveer Singh, because not because I'm much younger to him, but he won the debut award some seven years ago, and he completely stormed the scene and stole our hearts. And it's been a very, very special association. Filmfare has always celebrated excellence, and Ranveer is part of that excellence. And I have seen his personal growth from his little MAE number in Band Baja Barat to his absolutely smashing. I have no words to talk about his performance in Gully Boy, which is the latest release. And I have seen like a complete phenomenal growth of an actor. And you know, it's like waves lapping a seashore. Sometimes there are actors who act, and there's Ranveer Singh who's completely transforms himself into some other beast altogether, whether it's physically, whether it's emotionally. So I've been extremely privileged to see him perform. This is my 20th year at Filmfare, so you're allowed to clap for me. And,
Whoa.
ये तू रुलाएगा पगले, रुलाएगा तू मुझे।
and
एक तो लांबा जी आप कबाब में हड्डी क्यों बन रहे? I want to sit next to this teddy bear.
so
Can I also may I also say something about you, Jitesh? I have nothing to say, but this is one of my favorite people that I have had the privilege of knowing since the beginning of my career. After I entered the entertainment business, I have rarely ever met somebody who is so warm, so kind, so genuine, and so real. मतलब अच्छा है तो जितेश आपको फ्रैंकली बताएगा भाई अच्छा किया, खराब किया, कोई गलती की वो भी बता देगा. So when he says proud parent, he really means it. He is like you know, I don't know, father figure or big brother figure, or he's like he has माँ की ममता in him for me. And
this is about Filmfare also. FYI.
oh, I thought आपने ऐसे ही बुलाया था. हम तो चले आए. Jits, are we gonna have a cracker of a show?
Yeah,
I have a feeling we're gonna have a cracker of a show. Madam, mass entertainment, I am your man. We are going to have a cracker of a show. Sir, देखना आप एकदम proud हो जाओगे. I'm very, very excited to be performing at the Filmfare Awards. I met the amazing Shamak Dawar just a couple of days ago. And we had a very long and extensive meeting about putting up this amazing spectacle. And I met Mr. Bhansali today. And he also asked me, what are you performing? And are you going to perform Khalli Balli? And I said, yes, sir. He's like, that means, you better do a good job. So yeah, I'm very excited for my performance. I love performing live. And I am very, very, very charged up about this year's Filmfare Awards. And yeah, I've got something quite exciting in store. Madam, you will love it.
Definitely, we all will be waiting for it. Now, may I request Mr. Anil Verma, Group Marketing Head, Vimal Group, to say a few words, please. It's our first association.
Sir, first association.
Yes.
आपने पिछले साल का मेरा performance देखा सर? बप्पी दा का ट्रिब्यूट किया था मैंने.
खतरनाक था बहुत.
हाँ. मौसम है.
तो अंग्रेजी में बात कर, हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो. अच्छा.
गाने
हाँ, हो
का.
जाए.
पप्पी दा खुद मेरे साथ स्टेज पर थे सर. What a moment for me. हाँ.
तो मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत ही शानदार मौका है और पहली बार है, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि होता रहेगा. और फिल्म फेयर तो सबके जहन में बसता है. हिंदुस्तान जो है वो फिल्मों का भूखा है और आम आदमी जो है वो फिल्म आई एम श्योर ये बम्बई नगरी जो है ये बड़ी मायावी है और फिल्म फेयर से बढ़िया कोई शायद मेरे ख्याल से कोई फोरम नहीं है. सो आई बिलीव दिस इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक एसोसिएशन विद फिल्म फेयर. और अगर मैं थोड़ा ब्रांड की भाषा में बात करूँ तो सबके ज़ुबान पे अगर फिल्मी है तो हमारी ज़ुबान में केसरी है. क्या कहते हैं? बोलो ज़ुबान केसरी.
अरे सर.
So very proud to be associated.
अजय देवगन ने बोल दिया.
हाँ, तो सबने बोल दिया, भाई ने बोल दिया, सबने बोल दिया.
सिंघम.
So